acid reflux solution number one. So if you get like belching, acid reflux, acid regurgitation, when you lay down, acid comes up, here's a simple tip that can help decrease that acidity, right? So you can look to your hand. Your hand is like your head. It mirrors your head. Then this is your neck area, this is your neck, this is your belly button. My belly button's right here, my stomach's right here. So you're gonna find the stomach part in your arm, which is about midway. So you're gonna find, you can dig in for about, and try to find that sensitive spot. That sensitive spot is where you wanna dig in for 30 seconds, right? And then you wanna flip it over in the same line, seeing the same level, you're gonna dig in this side. You're gonna dig and find that sensitive spot there too. And then you're gonna pinch like this for 30 seconds. You should instantly see the stomach acid decrease and the pain decrease. It doesn't make it go away permanently, but it will help decrease it. You're gonna massage, you can do it for both arms, all right? Make sure you like this post and follow me here for more.
Hi, my name is Walia Jones-Woolley, and I'm from right here in Cedar Park. I sought out Yin acupuncture back in August because I have acid reflux disease. I've been on meds for about 5 years, and the medication, I'd gone through several different changes, quit working. Since coming, I am only taking my acid reflux medication every other day. I don't get the acid reflux like I used to, and as a side benefit, a lot of the symptoms of menopause have disappeared as well. Would I recommend Yin acupuncture? Without a doubt. It really helps you become more in tune with your body, I think, understanding the different systems and how everything is all interrelated. It's definitely worked for me.
Still reading from the book, The Enzyme Factor. So, you know, a lot of times we treat people with heartburn, acid reflux, and we help people with that. And, you know, people ask us, is there ever, you know, can your stomach have too much acid, right? And the short answer, the quick answer is no, it's impossible. And that's not coming from me, that's coming from a gastroenterologist. A gastroenterologist that works in New York, and famous for developing a technique to remove polyps. So he treats people with colon cancer, and he helps people cure their colon cancer, okay? Not by radiation, not by chemotherapy, but by diet. So there's a difference. If you want chemotherapy, you want radiation, you want medications to temporarily solve your cancer, then that's where you want to go. But if you want to actually get your body to kill the cancer by itself, this guy does it, okay? And he does it in combination. He does use some medications, but majority of his treatment protocols are dietary. And so coming from someone who has a high success rate with colon cancer, you know, he says that, you know, it is true that if you suppress the secretion of stomach acid, the symptoms of heartburn disappear. But as I have already discussed, this form of treatment will cause serious damage and put stress on all the other parts of the body. I think the idea that heartburn, acid reflux, and acid indigestion are results of gastric hyperacidity is wrong. So the fact that you're taking Tums or NSAIDs to lower your stomach acid, you're actually hurting yourself. In fact, he says, there is no such thing as too much stomach acid. Stomach acid is produced because it is necessary to maintain the balance and overall health of the body. By overriding such natural mechanisms of the body with medicine, I believe you only end up shortening your lifespan. Now, this is a guy who treats colon cancer, right? And so he says, you know, just the human body consists of a very intricate system, delicately balanced. The system also functions inside each of the approximately 60 trillion cells that make up the human body. If you are serious about your health, think about your body starting at the cellular level, okay? And so, you know, this just goes to, if you decrease your stomach acid by taking Tums, Prilosec, he calls H2 blockers, right? He says right here, for example, if a man regularly takes antacids like H2 blockers, there is a possibility that he may experience erectile dysfunction. Okay, so guys, if you got ED, you need to lay off. You need to lay off the proton pump inhibitors, the antacids. Okay, there's also a data showing a sharp decrease in sperm count. So if you're looking to increase your fertility, your sperm quality, you need to get off of these H2 blockers. Okay. This is why it is not exaggeration when I say the problems we have seen in the recent years concerning male sterility can be attributed to the various strong antacids on the market. I didn't know that, but this is from a gastroenterologist telling that if you want to decrease your sperm quality, then you keep popping those Tums like candy, okay? But if you're trying to get pregnant with your wife, you need to lay off the Tums, all right? So this is a quick biohacking tip that you're not going to hear anywhere else, right? And so if you do need help with heartburn, acid reflux, and getting your digestive system back into gear, we are experts at helping people restore their function. So give us a call. Achieve Integrative Health. We're the #1 acupuncture and wellness clinic in Central Texas. We've got 2 clinics to help you, one in Central Austin and one in Cedar Park. So if you're having acid reflux, we can help you. We've actually had great success, whether with acupuncture, with herbs, dietary changes. We get your body functioning the way it's supposed to be, with the way it was functioning before you had all this heartburn, bloating, gas, and so forth, right? So be careful, okay? Of course, consult your physician. Actually, you need to consult a physician like this, not just any physician. If you consult any physician, any gastroenterologist, they'll tell you to take the Tums and proton inhibitors. You want to consult a physician who has the purpose of helping you restore your organ function, not give you another crutch, okay? And say, oh yeah, you can just take Prilosec and then you're good to go. If that's what you want, then it's okay. There's no right or wrong. But if you want someone to help you restore your organ function, there are physicians out there. There are, okay? He wrote a book, okay? There are physicians out there. And, I'm in search of one here in the Central Texas area. I will let you know when I find one. But I'm meeting with a group of integrative doctors, and hopefully within that, we will be able to form a group of physicians, healthcare practitioners that can help you restore your organ function so that your body can self-heal again instead of being dependent upon a pill. And that could be a medication, that could be a supplement, okay? Doesn't matter, it could be a pill. Any pills could be a crutch. And so if you need that help, AchieveIntegrativeHealth.com, all right? So if you want better sperm count, lay off the Tums.